Welcome back, y'all. So today I'm going to be showing you how to just do some body curls. This is going to be a really easy curl tutorial for you or for you to do on your clients. My client did not want a lot of curl and she didn't want it straight. So this curling technique could take you about 5 minutes to do, and it looks amazing afterwards. I previously colored her hair. I believe it was about a month ago. Even though I'm not behind the chair anymore as a full-time stylist, I still have to create content for, my Instagram and other things that I have coming up. So I did color her hair and her color looks amazing. But I am using the Babyliss flat iron, the 1.5-inch curlers. And I also use the nano titanium to straighten her hair. When you are using this particular flat iron, you want to make sure that you are gliding the hair. Like, don't get stuck on the hair. Like, you know how when you're flat ironing someone's hair, or if you're curling your own hair and it gets stuck, you have to use that wrist, baby, and just keep it going through. Like, just use it, glide it through, don't overthink it, and always move slow. I'm also not using small parts. This is not a super thin part. It's a medium-sized parts because, again, like I said earlier, we want body. We don't want a whole lot of curl. We want kind of like bed head curls. So I don't want this to be very uniform. So I'm taking thicker sections. Do y'all see the way her hair just glided through and how it just bounced back? Like, that's some healthy hair. And even though her hair is colored, it is still healthy. This is what I want y'all to understand. No matter what, you can have color and have healthy hair, but it's all in the regimen. It's all in who you let color your hair. That's a big one. And it's all in the products that you use, okay? So don't get that confused thinking that you cannot have healthy colored hair. And I also did use all of my products from my line, Healthy MF and Hair. I used the Deep Cleansing Hair Bath, the Milk and Honey Oat Shampoo, the Repair Treat, and we are going to apply the serum after I'm done curling her hair. It's the same effect on the sides. I'm using thicker sections and taking my curlers and just rolling it through and gliding it through in the direction where I want it to be. And like I said, this is not a uniform type of look. This is just bedhead, sexy hair. And with this silk press, because I know a lot of you have been asking me in the comments about how long the silk press lasts. My silk presses last 2 to 3 weeks. Like, she came back in saying, oh, I ain't washed my hair in a long time. And I was like, okay, great. So this will be perfect for content. So if your silk press is done correctly, it should last you longer than 2 weeks. I'm also really thankful that I have a lot of friends in the industry that I can just call on and say, hey, let me use your space so I can get some content in, because I said when I retire from hair, I still have to create content for the girls because I know that y'all want to see. And I was like, let me go ahead and, just start posting more on YouTube and giving y'all this free game because I just really want to see y'all win. I don't want stylists out here to think that it's only one way to make it. Like, it's not one way to become a 6-figure stylist. I want to show y'all, a different way to do it. So here I am. Now you see how slow I'm going in the front? If y'all don't take anything away from this, please understand that the front, the bang part, is the most important part. And I just want y'all to understand that moving slower in the front is what's going to give you that body and that sexy, bouncy hair. So just make sure that y'all are taking your time and not rushing through the front especially. Okay? I don't know if y'all have noticed, but really uniform curls are going out. People want that sexy bed hair. So don't try to make everything look so perfect all the time, and just go with what works for you or your client as well. After that, I just applied a few drops of my serum to her hair to seal it and to keep it moisturized. This is not like a oil, it's more like a serum. So that's why I say it's going to keep it moisturized, and it is handmade by me. This is what I mean by, messy, sexy bed hair. This is not a uniform look. She does have layers in her hair, which we put in her hair. But when I turn her around, like y'all can just see, like it's just giving that sexiness, especially with that color. So again, take your time, but don't overthink this whole process. This can be done on yourself, on your clients, or if you want to go out on a date real quick and your silk press is kind of old and you want to say, hey, let me throw some curls in there. This is going to give it a look, a sexy look. I will be hosting a color silk press webinar March the 20th. So make sure that you guys register down below. You're not going to want to miss this. It's going to be amazing. Thanks for watching.